In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a back-to-top button in Dreamweaver. This feature is quite handy, especially for long web pages, as it enhances user experience by allowing visitors to quickly navigate back to the top. Let's get started. First, open Dreamweaver. If you're new to this software, it's a powerful tool for web design and development. Opening it is your gateway to creating and editing your web pages with ease. Once Dreamweaver is up and running, you'll find yourself at the starting point of your project. With Dreamweaver open, the next step is to open your HTML page. This is the file where you want to add the back-to-top button. Remember, having the right file open is crucial because all changes we make will apply directly to it. If you're unsure which file to open, check the file name and location to ensure it's the correct HTML document. Now click on Split View. This feature is important because it allows you to see both the code and the visual representation of your page simultaneously. It helps you understand the impact of your code changes in real time, providing a clear picture of your design intentions. Next up, add the button inside the body tag of your HTML. Here's the code you need. Open angle bracket button, on-click equals top function open parentheses, close angle bracket, top, then close the button tag. This is the physical button that visitors will click to scroll back to the top. Placing it inside the body ensures it appears on the page. After that, let's enhance the button's appearance with some CSS. Go to the head section of your HTML and add the following style. Open style tag, then hashtag top BTN, open curly brace, padding : 10 pixels by 20 pixels. CP : background : blue, CP : color : white, CP : border : none, CP : close curly brace, then close the style tag. This code styles the button to make it visually appealing. The blue background and white text ensure the button stands out. Moving forward, add the JavaScript code just before the closing body tag. Here's the script: open script tag, function top function open parentheses, close parentheses, open curly brace, window.scrollto open parentheses, open curly brace, top : 0, comma, behavior : smooth, close curly brace, close parentheses, semicolon, close curly brace, then close the script tag. This script enables the smooth scrolling effect when the button is clicked, enhancing user experience by providing a seamless transition back to the top. Once that's done, remember to save your file. Saving ensures all your changes are kept and can be viewed later. It's a simple step, but crucial to avoid losing your hard work. You don't want to redo everything from scratch, so make it a habit to save often. Finally, to see your new button in action, click on Live View or press F12. This will show you how the button appears and functions on the web page. It's your chance to test and ensure everything is working as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully created a back-to-top button in Dreamweaver. This small addition can greatly improve navigation and user satisfaction. Keep exploring and enhancing your web pages with Dreamweaver. Thank you for following along, and happy coding!